Hi guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial I have these super cute emoji nails to share with you. So let's get started. Start off with the base coat to protect your natural nails. This will also help to adhere the nail color you apply on top of it. Now let's move on to the color. For the pinky nails, I'm using this bright pink. Use 2 coats of the color to increase the opacity. Then use a dotting tool to add 2 eyes. Next use a black striper or a tiny paintbrush dipped into black to create the mouth. Using a different shade of pink, I'll be adding in some rosy cheeks and the 2 little white dots on the eyes to bring them to life. Let's do a few more so you can get the hang of the different eyes and mouths you can choose from to make yours. For this nail I have chosen a white polish and I'm creating his eyes using greater than and less than signs. I did a curved line for his smile, then add in the cheeks to make him totally cute. The next color I have chosen is a light blue. Remember, you can use any colors you would like. Dot 2 eyes, then make a deeper smile. And guys, don't forget those rosy cheeks. Let's do one more, this time with the pink color. Once that's dry, we are going to mix up the eyes by giving this one a dotted one and a closed one. Then let's do a shocked mouth by drawing a circle, and as always complete it with rosy cheeks and white dotted eyes for the cutest look. Finish off with the fast drying top coat. This will seal in your design and add a beautiful shine to your nails. And that's it. Let me know in the comments which emoji face was your favorite. Take care and I'll see you next time.